traders? Happy Friday. It's June 24th. It's 9:15 in the market. The market is about to open here quickly, but I wanted to do a teachable moment on a trade that we took late yesterday on the 2-year. And what you can see here is something that we posted up inside our inner circle. And I said, here's a little trade I just got in on the 2-year. And we can see a drop-based rally that has a very big, strong move away. So let's go ahead and figure out what happened. So as you can see up on my chart, this is an image of the 2-year US Treasury note futures. The expiration date is September because right now it's June 24th. And last week we rolled over to September. So here we are on that. So this is where we got in at. And so I think we were up about, I don't know, I think it was $400 to $500 on this yesterday. And down here you can see that we have a drop-based drop into the level, but it kind of stalls right before we get in. So that was something that was absolutely something I was looking at. We did catch that bid right before. Now, if I go back, you can see that on this 1-hour chart, we are in an uptrend, okay? So there was no reason for me to move my stop at halfway to break even. That is something that we do when RSI is not in our favor, or we're counter trend, or some of the other stacking the odds studies don't come in. So last night we were up about $500, and then right about, I don't know, somewhere around midnight, we came much deeper into the level. And this was our T1, and T2 and T3 were at and above this area, which is irrelevant because we got out. But we did end up making about $2,600 on the trade. This is the P&L on the day, but we were up significantly more yesterday. So, you know, I can't remember the exact number, but it was $2,500 to $2,600, something like that. But what I did notice is that as we came deeper into the level here, and we hit T1, that's when we come deeper into the level, we don't move away off the first cup. That is something that we keep in mind here at Trading Price. And when we go drop-based drop into the level, we catch the bid overnight, we come deeper into the level. I mean, almost stopped out. If I was up at this time, I would be thinking that we got stopped out. But about 3 o'clock, I got an alert right here at T1 that T1 was hit. So you can see that's at 3 a.m. Price continued to rally. And because we came deep into the level without any divergence, you can see a lower low here in the level and a lower low on the momentum. What I did was I came into a much shorter time frame, and I saw this rally-based rally. Now, when I made the move from my stop below the area to where our exit was after T1 was reached, you can see we have a rally-based, pretty nice rally outside of that. And as price came back in, it tried to catch a bid, but it failed. And we got out here on our remaining 5 contracts. We were long 10 contracts. And then you can see what happened with price. So guys, I always talk about this, right? And you're going to hear me continue to talk about it. Everyone in trading thinks about, like, you need massive wins to make money in the market. And that's not the case. That is not the case. You need to focus on risk reduction once you're in a trade. You need to focus on a high quality level. And then once you're in a trade, how can you reduce risk in the trade? And this is exactly what happened. And right here, you can see the text messages that I went back and forth with one of our traders on what exactly we were doing. So guys, as you can see, I was helping showcase what I was thinking about as price reached our T1 and why I was moving my stop. And hopefully that helps, because if I did nothing and all we did was reach T1, we would have gotten stopped out on the remaining. But we have to be responsible traders. We have to trade in a positive way, in a way that reduces the risk. And when you see price leave your level and come deeper into the level, even though we reached T1, there's still more selling pressure that exists there. And that's why I was aggressive on moving my stop. Whereas normally I would not be as aggressive because we are in an uptrend, because price came into our level above 40 on the RSI, because we breached this drop-based drop. All of those things are true. But if price was going to rally, it was going to bounce from here, which is essentially these highs, and it did not. In fact, we came down and we went drop, base, drop. And this drop-based drop doesn't actually look so bad to get short at if the 2 years is going to fall. So, guys, with that, hopefully this helps. A 2,600 trade, whatever it was, overnight while we were sleeping, and all we had to do was move our stop up a little bit. So, guys, with that, take it easy as always, and follow us on Trading Price. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to find out more trades like this, and always give us a like on Facebook, and you can find us at tradingprice.com, and we teach all of this inside of our 8-week Futures Accelerator course. All right, guys, take it easy.